Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. Hope all of you are doing good. I'm doing good too. So today I've come up with this beautiful glam look which is perfect for festivals, parties and also brides. So let's get into the tutorial. Today I'm going to be playing with this beautiful Huda Beauty rose palette. So first I'm going to take this dark pinkish brown shade and I'm going to stamp it above my crease. Just remember, always stamp the shadow. I've already applied the concealer. Now I'm going to take this light pink shade and I'm going to apply it above the shadow which I've applied before on my crease. So I'm still stamping it. So if you see with this stamping motion, automatically the shadow is buffing out and giving us a smoky effect. You don't have to keep wiping it. Okay, so do this. Then I'm going to take this yellow shade and apply it into my crease like a cut crease style. I'm not applying any concealer, I'm just applying this yellow shade. You will get to know why in a few minutes. So I'm doing the same. I'm applying this all over my lid. If you can see, this is a bright yellow shadow. You'll get to know why I'm applying this now. So next I'm going to take this beautiful gold shade, you see that, and then I'm applying it on the yellow shadow. So when you do this, we have applied yellow shadow and gold on top of that gives you a double effect. Then I'm going to take the same dark pink shade and buff it again so that there won't be any harsh edges or any glitter spillage. Then I'm going to take this brown kohl pencil and I'm going to roughly draw a line near to my lash line. It doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to be perfect, just draw a line. And now I'm going to smoke this out with a small smudger brush. This is going to give you a smoky effect and it will also last for a long time. Since this is a party look, by doing so, this will last for a very long time, trust me. And on top of this, I'm going to apply this brown eyeliner from Colorbar. So since we have applied double shade, we have applied kohl first and then an eyeliner, so it is going to stay for a very long time, trust me. I've tried this on myself too. Next I'm going to take this brown shade and apply it to my lower lash line. Now I'm going to take the same brown kohl pencil which I've applied on my upper lash line and I'm going to draw a line again. As how I've done on my upper lash line, I'm going to do the same in my lower lash line so that your kajal won't smudge or it won't melt. Always apply a kohl pencil or an eyeliner, or apply kohl pencil or smudge it out with a shadow. It will stay for a very long time. Next I'm going to take this Colorbar mascara and I'm going to apply few coats of mascara and I'm going to apply false lashes. It's your wish, you can apply or not. You have already got the look here. Next I'm going to take this Wet n Wild Nude pencil and apply it into my lash line. It is going to open up my eye and give a bright look. And then I'm going to apply mascara to my lower lashes also, and then apply this Fit Me in my under eye area so that it is sweat proof. It's Navratri and parties, you would be dancing, so once you do this technique, your eyeshadow won't melt, it won't, even if you are sweating also, your shadow will just stay like that. So that's it. This is a quick look and a very beautiful look. I hope you liked it. And do subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to consider all your video requests. I hope you'll have a wonderful day ahead. Happy holidays, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys, love you, stay safe.